I got a call. I feel worried. My heart feels heavy.
What happened?
It was a bad call.
Mom, Dad? Mom, are you okay?
Grandma is sick.
We will help her.
Yes, we must go.
Let's stay together.
We are a family.
Are we traveling?
Yes, we are.
I feel scared.
I am here.
I will get the bags.
We go today.
I feel excited. Me too.
Suitcases cover the floor.
I bring my toys. I fold my clothes.
Medicine is important.
This bag is too full. I packed too much.
That is funny. My books are ready.
Stickers help us.
The stickers are bright.
This bag is heavy.
I can't lift it.
The family leaves home. The airport is big.
Stay close.
The doors open. People walk fast.
Wow, a plane. Hold my hand.
Of course.
I checked the flight.
The bags wait in line.
Hello. Here are our passports.
I am so happy. My bag is heavy.
Security is ahead. The backpack is open. A cat nose appears.
What is that?
May I check?
A cat is inside.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Rules matter.
I will help.
The cat goes inside.
Goodbye, friend. He is safe. I hope so.
Tewaczkietli. They enter the plane.
Window seat. I sit here.
Okay.
I put the bags up.
Seatbelts click. The plane takes off. Cluelo.
So beautiful. I feel scared.
Breathe slowly.
Okay.
All is fine.
Hey. Stop it.
Be careful.
Sit still.
Sorry. Sorry.
They sit quietly.
What rules?
No running.
I understand. I will be polite.
Thank you.
The flight is smooth.
I feel calm.
I want to rest.
Sleep now.
The plane lands.
We arrived.
You are here.
We missed you.
I missed you too.